Hey everybody, here you have an old Luxaire unit. We've got these big lines going through it, I'm guessing so that people don't drive into it or something. See where the data used to be right there, it's faded off. Well, actually it looks like it might have been a metal plate that's gone now, so this thing could be 70s. It's probably 3-phase. It's got the old disconnect. And if we walk around, there's actually 2 more of these. Got 2 more right here. This one's got some interesting blades. Slightly different design. It's got that old compressor. Data sheet is, once again, this one's faded. This one's much smaller though. The suction line's a lot smaller. Right down here's another one. Another bigger one. Oh, this one has a new compressor in it. 2021 compressor. Might have another one. Or not. It's got a new compressor from last year. And right here on the end's a little carrier unit. Little carrier 38 CKC. Probably a little 1.5 ton unit. 97. Alright, that'll be it. I'm gonna grab some photos and I'll be on my way. See you guys in the next one.